Good morning, preschool. It's Wednesday. This is Zoo Week, so we are going to read about pandas. Not many zoos have pandas. Pandas are very, very special animals, but there are some big zoos that have pandas, and I hope you get to see one sometime. You can see a lot of pandas on the internet. They have special panda cams that you can watch and you can see the baby pandas. This is called If You Were a Panda Bear. So let's find out about them. What it would be like if you were a panda bear. There's several different kinds of bears. And there's your panda. If You Were a Panda Bear by Wendell and Florence Minor. I love all these bear faces. This just has the best illustrations. If you were a panda bear, guess what you would wear? A black and white suit and eye patches. How cute! You'd be very shy. You'd eat lots of bamboo. Then you take a long nap. What a good thing to do. He looks comfy, huh? If you were a sloth bear, well, this is another kind of bear. If you were a sloth bear with long claws and strange hair. We all have strange hair sometimes. Friends might think you looked funny, but you wouldn't care. Look at how fuzzy they are. Don't you just want to touch them? Probably shouldn't, but you want to. If you were a polar bear, you'd be white as snow. You could peek through the ice, see any seals? Who knows? Yes, polar bears, they're very, very white. Now, if these are the general bears you usually see in a zoo, are black bears. If you were a black bear, you'd love to climb trees. Doesn't he look comfy? You'd watch your cubs nip and bite and you'd say, "Play nicely, please." And all the bears are up now. It's spring, they've come out of hibernation. If you were a moon bear, you'd stay out late at night and the mark on your chest would look just like a light. Isn't that wonderful? Did you know there were so many kinds of bears? If you were a sun bear, you'd have a long tongue to help you get honey. Be careful, don't get stung. Those bees look mad. Ooh, if you were a grizzly bear, you'd stand as tall as 10 feet. Can you even imagine a bear that big? I don't think I can. You'd love catching salmon with your paws and your teeth. What kind of bear? If you were a speckled bear, you'd have furry eyeglasses. And if you went to school, you'd look smart in your classes. But if you were a teddy bear, that might be the best. What a cozy life you'd have in your teddy bear nest. And that is the end. I love this book about bears. It's in the library when you come back. If you remember to ask me, I'll let you read it. It's a red book. And maybe today you want to go and get all your bears and have a bear party. It would be fun to see some pictures of how many different kinds of stuffed bears you have. Let me get the bears. Let me get the bears from the library. Bear. Do we have any other bears? Maybe we only have two. Oh, we actually have two Paddingtons. Okay. Oh, and you know who we have? Is in here. Let me get. Oh, wrong one. It must be this one. Aha. Here are all our bears, our library bears. Who's that? Corduroy. This is Harry. He came all the way from England. He's a Harrods bear. That's a special store there. And we have Little Paddington, and we have our dear friend, Big Paddington. So those are the library bears. And they hope that you have a really great Wednesday. See you tomorrow.